Hi there, future investors, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're ready for a weekly recap, and what a week that was. Trump and Musk are shaking things up big time. First up, Donald Trump just announced that if he's elected, we will be creating an economic efficiency commission and appointing Elon Musk as head of the panel. Yeah, you heard that right. The not-so-busy billionaire tech wizard is going to help steer the ship if it goes into the sea. But that's not all. Trump's also pledging to slash corporate taxes from 21% to 15% for companies that produce in America. I guess this will be an important leverage for his own company, Trump Media Corporation, as it is now down a whopping 58% in the past 6 months. Ouch. This past week was a nightmare for dollar stores. Dollar Tree plunged 22% whilst Dollar General is down 30% in just 1 month. Did you know that there are more than 32,000 dollar stores in the US? With high inflation and rates, shoppers are tightening their belts. But Amazon, Target, Costco, and Walmart are thriving. So is there a fundamental change going on in consumer behavior, even in hard times? Chip stocks experienced another rough week. Wall Street's darling Nvidia dropped again this week, marking the SOX index's worst session in over 4 years. Despite a partial rebound led by AMD, chip stocks remain pricey, with Intel facing significant challenges and considering splitting up its businesses. Broadcom shares fell over 10% following the earnings report, marking investor caution amid high expectations. The company's AI revenue is growing rapidly, but some unpredictability on its customer base is worrying investors as AI sales of $3.1 billion fell short of analysts' targets. Meanwhile, Treasury yields did a little dance and uninverted for the first time since July 2022. Is a recession looming, or are we looking at a Fed rate cut? Stay tuned. Moving on to the airline world, loyalty programs are under the microscope. The U.S. Transportation Department is grilling big players like Delta on their consumer practices. Fairness and transparency are the name of the game. So what's next? Hold your breath till the Fed meeting on September 17. August jobs report missed expectations. Non-farm payrolls reached 142K versus 165K expected. New York Federal Reserve President John Williams suggested the Fed should start cutting interest rates this month, though he didn't push for an aggressive half-point reduction. Williams emphasized that rates could be lowered to a more neutral level over time, citing improvements in both the labor market and inflation. So, we know nothing right now, and it's going to be a wild ride. Last but not the least, the kitty is back. After being 2 months in silent mode, he just sent a post on X, sending a subliminal message that can be understood as him dropping Chewy stock. This came after giving the company wide attention in June by posting its logo. Point is that in this market crash, Gamestop shares have risen around 10%. Meanwhile, the company is making a bold move with its new retro program. The program will bring back classic retro consoles such as Game Boy, Nintendo 64, Dreamcast, PlayStation 1 and 2, Xbox 360, and more to certain well-established GameStop locations. They're going back to the future, I guess. And that's it, folks. Don't forget to visit my buddy for this series, Luke Becker at LBecker Finance, and also subscribe to his newsletter. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more of these updates. As always, stay sharp, stay ahead, and I will see you back in a bright future.